Um, Hello, this is Ring Ring. Welcome to Learning Software Architecture with Kotlin. In this series, I'll be sharing what I've learned about the fundamentals of software architecture using Kotlin. And I think the focusing on assembler of kind of local complete. This means we'll delve into how modules and components are decomposed and connected. For example, modules can include classes, packages, layers, and components may involve file and directory structures, deployment units, and so on. While the role of a software architect is broad in this series, we won't cover aspects such as setting technical vision, supporting development teams, or communication with stakeholders. The scope of this video is narrowed down to understanding and optimizing the structure of software. We'll be basing our learning on the fundamentals of software architecture and software architecture, the hard parts. I plan to share insights from these excellent resources through concrete examples. Software architecture is abstract and challenging, so I hope this sharing will contribute to enhancing everyone's understanding of software architecture